So working on a headlight upgrade today. We're gonna switch out the halogens for these Vivid Lumen 7-inch projector LED headlights with amber turn signals. These are pretty awesome. Makes it more modern looking. These are the lights. Our first step is gonna be to remove the brush guard and remove these. There's 4 bolts here and here, and then there's a bolt up in here, and one more here. Brush guard's off. Now it's time to remove the grill to get to the lights. Grill is removed. Now it's time to remove the headlight assemblies. So this is how the housing comes apart. There's 4 of these T15 screws. I just used a driver handle to remove it. And then this comes apart like that. And then the housing comes right out of it. Just like that. That's how they come apart. One thing you have to do on these, the housing is smaller on the original one, the halogen light, and then the LED light has heat sinks on the back, like that. So what you have to do is the inner housing, you have to cut out and clearance it so this light will fit into there. And that's my next step. So I use a Dremel to cut out the plastic piece. As you can see here, here's some of the pieces I cut off. So I cut out the back of the housing so the heat sink can fit. And I use a Dremel just to cut it out. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it does the job. Here's a reassembled light. Looks just like that. This side is a halogen, and then you can see much better light pattern with the LED. I mean, it goes all the way over. That's a pretty wide pattern. And the center beam there, you can tell, is a lot wider than the halogen. The halogen is a much smaller section. So what I'm talking about is this part here, and then this part here. You can see the light pattern is just totally different. This is with the high beams on, and wow, you can really see the difference in them. It's much brighter, much more defined light pattern. As you can see here with the halogen, it only has this little bit of an area. And then if you come over here to the LED, this area is way much larger than a halogen. The light pattern is just so much better with the LED projectors. As you can see, these lights perform really well at night. If you like these lights, please check out Vivid Lumens. Thank you for checking out my video, and please remember to give us a like and a subscribe.